cross legs, do not cross arms, because you need to be open attitude. You know, when we make like that, it's like we are closet and we are protecting us. And it's what you need to be open attitude. Okay? It's a professional. Okay.
See this?
Style about this. Yes, because it's new. Okay. Look, the three first cards is going to talk about your unconscious. Okay. Sometimes we don't agree what is in our unconscious. And this three is the present. How you live the present. In other mean is like this is the problem or what is the problem now in your life, and this is how you live that problem. Okay. These are the advices the cards give you some advices, and then like I'm therapist, I'm going to give you more advice, of course. And these three are the future, but it's a future very, very close. It's a future in 1-3 months, okay? Any card have a color, and any color talk about one thing. And this is like, you are now in a moment enjoying like, I suppose you travel more. But this travel is different. It's like you are the world. It's like you discover different way to perception to other persons or other countries. It's like you feel more connected with everybody. I don't know if you know somebody that makes you another way, another vision about what the people are in different countries, but we are connected and we have similar things. And you feel we are the world. Something happens on your work. You are like reversing. Maybe you change your work, or you are thinking how to do things different. It's like a reversal. It's like, okay, that doesn't work. I need to invent different way to live. And that is important now in your environment because it's like even you are in the same work, it's like it's new for you. It's a reveal. You feel different. You feel with more illusion and say that okay, you are on holidays now, I suppose. But when you come back, you are thinking in new things, how to do your work. Okay. Then this card is mentally, it's of the souls. It's like you are connected. Maybe you are connected with your woman, or maybe you have a partner. You have in your work, I don't know, and you are connected with that person. It's like you are in the same line, in the same club, something like that. Okay. This is the present. Okay. Okay. This is remember is your unconscious, and this is your present. You are fighting about something about work. Maybe you work for yourself, right? Okay. You are fighting because you need to how to earn money because everything changed after COVID, I think, and that happens to everybody. And you are fighting with you have partners on your work. Some partner, some person like you are all the time trying to put in balance because you have different ideas and you are fighting all the time because you see different ways and the other person doesn't see it that like you know, something like that. You are very worried about your work. It's like you are fighting. Maybe sometimes you want to throw out everything. Everything is on yourself because you don't find the courage to have a problem with your fight. When you try, you are tired. You know, it's like you are so exhausted. It's like you are trying to make different things, but you don't find exactly what you want. All the people don't respond to you like you want. Okay, and it's the fight you have. And sometimes you feel guilty because everything, all the responsibilities of you. Maybe you feel guilty now because you are on holiday, and you say, okay, my work life is a disaster, and I'm here on holidays. You know, sometimes we are very stupid. We don't enjoy any moment, and it's nice that you take a break because maybe you can see different. When you return to say what is the problem now in your life. These three are your present, how you live the present. These three are the advices. And these three are the future, a future very, very close, okay? Okay. Oh, you are new. It's like you feel, I don't know if because you are on holidays or I don't know if or something happened on your life, you feel like the outsider. You are very connected with your spiritual guide. Luis, ¿me traes un vasito de agua con hielo? Por favor. You are really connected with your spiritual guide. It's like, oh, look at your wing. Oh yes, it's the same.
Oh yeah.
You are very connected with your spiritual guide. It's like you are very impulsive, but it's because you are very connected with that part, and it's your spiritual guide is pushing you to make some things, you know. It's because it's very, you are acting, but everything happens good.
Yeah.
It's like everything that you make is good. It's not a fail. It's not, you know.
Yeah.
Then you work with him now. You work in other. You have arrears in your work too.
Yeah,
You change.
we both do like the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like you are trying. Oh, the person who is in the car spoke to him was you. Sometimes you don't think in the same and you don't agree. Okay. So you are reversing on your work. You are thinking in new ideas how to make things, or it's like you need to take your work across the work, because you don't agree one with other, and we are fighting all the time. It's like you want to make a pose and who is going to win, and it's not that, okay? It's trying to be more tolerant one with the other one, and I think the good tactic, the good tool is practice and try one thing that you say and one thing that you say, you know. Okay, we are going to try your way and try it, and then okay, we are going to try my way and see what happens, you know. But don't fight. Make that like an experience to put in balance together. Remember what I say. You are together because you need it. What one person have, the other person doesn't have, and you need it to complement, be the complement to the other. And in your work, it's the same. Maybe one person is more serious, and is for example, you can be a very good worker, but then you have not the ability to go and say to the people, pay my bill. So you need to have that personality to the person who goes and go to earn the money or to take the money, and the other person have the creativity, you know. It's necessary. You are necessary one for other. You are explosive for me. You are a person that yes. So it's like you need to control that. Slowing down, okay? It's not for tomorrow. Try to manage that energy, because if you don't do that, your heart is suffering and your stomach, because when you are with anger, that puts you on your physical body. Sometimes you have pains on your belly.
Yeah.
It's for that. It's because you keep your anger here.
Energy, yeah.
It's better take your car, scream, or fight with your cousins. That helps you for your health. Okay? You need it, because one day you are going. The women, we have not too much heart attack, but you can do it because you are so explosive and you keep your anger. It's not good to keep emotions. Never keep emotions. Okay? If you want to cry, cry. If you want to scream, scream. You need it, and it's there. Maybe in your home. You